Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Just Eat account. Make sure you use the email or number linked to your profile. Have the lifestyle gift card number and PIN visible. You will enter them soon. Once done, check the card balance so you know if it covers the order. If not, plan a top-up or alternate payment method. This prevents interruptions at checkout and speeds the next steps when you add items to your basket. You continue by selecting your restaurant and adding items to the basket. Double-check the delivery address so fees and availability are correct. Once the cart looks right, go to checkout and review the subtotal, taxes, and any delivery or service fees. Now choose the payment option and select the area to add or change payment methods. This is where you'll enter the lifestyle gift card details. Make sure the order total and card balance are visible before proceeding. You now type the lifestyle gift card number and PIN into the payment fields, enter them exactly and double-check for transposed digits. After adding the card, confirm the payment and place the order, then save the confirmation or screenshot for records. If the app declines the card, make sure the balance covers the total, re-enter the PIN, and try again. If problems persist, contact Lifestyle Gift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.